Sabay, the big one in Saudi.
Oh no.
Isn't it Mecca?
No.
In Mecca.
No. Let's go, Miss Chu.
Is it your first experience?
You don't want to
Yes,
see?
slaughtered animals.
Yeah. Is it yours?
Goat, cow, duck, pig, cow, sheep, turkey.
I can't watch. Carla,
No,
look at the
that's just the
mountain.
rope.
Look at the mountain, Carla.
But maybe they use the same knife. Either they don't know or they don't care that the yeah, I'm making a video.
You think?
Either they don't know or they don't care. But I suppose it's their normal custom. So.
They're looking on us.
No, they're not. They're looking at the cow.
No.
No,
they're
wait
staring.
for them to do it.
He doesn't want.
Yeah, what is asking us to come over.
Ah, he's gonna us to come over.
No.
No, we're fine. We're fine watching you guys kill someone. I think it's okay to take pictures.
Or they'll tell us not to if they don't want us to.
Boom! There!
They must be restraining it so it doesn't like.
Patay na yung baka. Isang tama lang.
It's the same thing with us. You have your spinal
Yes.
cord. If you have a very bad injury, that can kill you in seconds. It's a small cow. I think it's not the pinapahirapan. They just need the cow.
Can you take off my sunglasses? Oh, you're making a video too.
Boy, Carla, are you okay? You don't have to look.
She's filming it, but she doesn't want to look.
You're taking a video and look at your reaction. I think your reaction is much more interesting than the one that you're doing.
I think they're just about ready to take the knife. Don't look then.
You know what they did? They tied the leg, and they're asking the cow to kneel on a certain direction where that's the halal way of killing an animal.
Now they're tying the legs.
Are they tying it because they're transporting it, or they're going to kill it?
They're going to kill it. It's Eid today.
They have their tools at the other side. Look, it's in the
Okay.
red bucket.
So it's really. Oh, this guy has a knife. Maybe he will run to us. Nice kandura though. I'm sorry.
Maybe we can go closer.
No, you can go.
You can go closer. If they're not bothered with your presence, they will let you go. They will let you stay.
Yeah.
But there's also one big possibility that
This guy with the nice kudura is having a handshake. Is he going to kill the
maybe he is
poor
the head.
animal?
Maybe he's the
head
head of
butcher?
the head of the community.
Or the family. It's probably. Look, it's only men.
Yeah. Because it's the man's work to slaughter an animal, and then after that, they'll be given to their wives. What is he doing now? Face the doctor. Do you know, guys? surprised that we are wasting so much time watching the fight.
Oh, but it's interesting. Didn't you? Have you seen how it's done?
I've seen how a cow gives birth, but not being killed.
Okay.
I've seen a cow being milked, giving birth, and I've also seen a cow chased us. And that was the worst part.
The cow is charging.
We were all dressed up in our Sunday clothes. And then our uncle said, would you like to go with us? My other cousin wasn't ready yet, so we told him, no, it's okay, we will just walk to the church. So we're a bunch of girls having holiday in our grandfather's farm. So we're all dressed up in our Sunday clothes with bows and with nice shoes. And on our way to the church, one of my cousins is wearing a very red dress. You know how it is?
Yeah.
How the red color is of the cows in the bull. One big cow tied up on a tree. And when they saw us, it started charging towards our side. And we knew that the cow was tied up on a tree. So we said, so we started teasing the cow. Oh, you can reach us. The more it pieces it up. And then I don't want to see. And then start.
Oh my goodness.
And then it started chasing us. Oh dear.
Okay, wait.
And jumping into a ditch.
Can you hold this for a second? I'll get out.
Which one?
The camera here.
What are you going
Just
to do?
keep it there for a moment. I'll get out.
Hurry
and
up.
I'll see if I can go close.
Go.
Yeah. Oh.
كذا بيذبح برا ممي لما محمول النهجة مده ما عليك طيب كثير تشاور ما واحد يجي دقيقة وخلوه ما بسيب بس كذي ايوه هو شيء الحين الصراحة ما عم تلاقي اسامي ما عندنا هو بعد واحد ماسكين بغيرة؟ لا تبع على شيء عشان أروح بس الجاي فوق ولا بنوع واحد بعد الحمول واحد بطل حمول نقول فكر هو حاجة بطل ما أشي حدادي
It's okay.
حرام ليش بعد الرمضان بعد جاي المسلم وقت بعد فعلا بالانجليزي كيف مره في تعال عليك انت اللي بس عليك تركيز في الوظيفه بس بعد اخذ بعد بس اي سوي هنا تعال جيت بس تقول له كيف صوره زين؟
Yeah.